Hello, and welcome to a new Duster Trails video. In today's footage, we'll showcase one of our projects from the last 2 years, testing the Snow Grabber Plus, a winter tire manufactured by General Tire. This is the same brand that produces the Grabber AT3, which we've previously tested. If you'd like to dive deeper into the details, feel free to pause the video at any time in order to read the text. We've as usual sectioned the tire for analysis, examining its interior structure, thickness, and steel belts to better understand its design. For this video, we're focusing on testing the tire under some of the toughest conditions a winter tire might face: humid conditions, wet fluffy snow, and on thick dry grass. While it's common to deflate tires for off-road or winter conditions, we wanted to see how the Snow Grabber Plus would perform under pressure and to better understand its behavior in extreme situations. This terrain and air tire pressure doesn't allow the rubber to bite into the ground or grip any dirt and small rocks, making it a real challenge. Add to that a steep lateral incline, and you'll see how the tire reacts when sliding and regaining traction. Keep in mind, we deliberately kept the tires overinflated to push their limits. The Snow Grabber Plus is manufactured in Europe, specifically in Portugal. It features a sturdy sidewall design that protects the rims, similar to its sibling, the Grabber AT3. This protection is crucial for handling rough conditions without damaging the wheels and rims. When tackling steeper inclines, the tire shows good grip, but requires careful positioning and technique. From a stop, yes, you can restart, but if inclined, you can still expect some lateral sliding, though the tire regains control efficiently. This balance between grip and controlled slip is key to its performance as it finds new paths to advance. Remember to be creative and move its starting position when facing challenges. As part of our testing, we avoided a proper approach or engine management in order to allow the tire to fail naturally where possible. By observing these limits, we gained valuable insights into its strengths and weaknesses of Snow Grabber Plus. Even on wet snow and slippery grass, it demonstrated consistent traction despite the challenging moderate conditions. We also tested the Snow Grabber Plus on different terrains, including mud and other off-road scenarios. Beyond winter, we evaluated its performance in autumn and spring to understand its behavior on asphalt. The results were impressive. It was exceptionally quiet, delivered excellent braking on both wet and dry roads, and achieved remarkable fuel efficiency for a winter tire. Its low fuel consumption can be attributed to its central rib design, which enhances road contact and reduces rolling resistance. Whether on preferably a heavy 4x4 vehicle or even lighter SUVs, this tire provides a smooth, efficient, and comfortable winter ride. Now, is this an all-terrain tire? No, it isn't. It's more street-focused and dry winter-orientated. However, it pairs well with chains for mountain climbs and snowy escapades. It's an ideal choice for SUVs that balance daily commutes with occasional outdoor adventures. The Snow Grabber Plus is versatile. It handles well in the city, on the highway, and in nature, all while delivering the safety and comfort you'd expect from a premium winter tire. To sum up, the Snow Grabber Plus stands out as a well-rounded winter tire. It offers exceptional performance on asphalt, good capabilities in winter conditions, and great fuel efficiency that surprised even us. This is a daily use tire, and whether you're braving wet snow, muddy trails, or heading to the office, this tire delivers reliability and confidence every step of the way. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and reviews from Duster Trails. See you on the next testing adventure.